Hi friends, let's solve this tricky math problem. 6 times 6 goes first. 6 times 6 equals 36. Next, I drop the 3 minus divided by 8 minus 6 equals. Next, I break down 36 divided by 8 because that goes first. So 36, so half of 36. So 30 plus 6 equals 36. So half of 30 is 15 and half of 6 is 3. So that equals 18. Half of 8 is 4. And half of 4 is 2. And half of 18 is 9 because 9 times 2 is 18. So I have 9 over 2. And next, I'll erase this and turn this 3 into a fraction. 3 over 1 minus, write in 9 over 2 minus, turn that 6 into a fraction as well. Next, you start from left, right? Because we solved the math problem from left to right. So I use the butterfly method because the denominators are different. So I'll use a different color. Here's the first wing. So you multiply what's inside the wings and then write the results above the antennas. And the body gives you the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. Next, multiply 3 times 2, not subtracting, multiplying. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 9 is 9. And then I subtract. 6 minus 9, so just turn those numbers around. 9 minus 6, the result will be negative. So that's 3, negative 3, and that's the numerator, negative 3 over 2. Next, I'll erase all this and write in 3 or negative 3 over negative 3 over 2 minus 6 over 1, larger on the board. Again, the denominators are different, so I use the butterfly method again. So I draw the wings, the antennas, and the body gives us the denominator. Good job. So the denominator is 2 times 1 is 2. Next, multiply negative 3 times 1. That equals negative 3. 2 times 6 is 12. Next, I subtract. So just rewrite this. So negative 3, change subtraction to addition, and then change positive 12 to negative 12. And so you just add them and keep the same sign. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So the numerator is negative 15. And that cannot be broken down further. Let's figure out the decimal answer to this tricky math problem using long division. It's simple and elementary, but that will help us get the decimal answer and the mixed number answer because it's an improper fraction answer. So it's negative 15 over 2. And here's the long division. And I'll use a different color. So the negative 15, I keep the negative so it helps me remember the answer is negative, or I just do this. The answer is going to be negative for the mixed number answer and negative for the decimal answer. So I write the 15, that's the dividend, and the 2 is the divisor. You can fit 2 into 15 7 times, and 7 times 2 is 14, and 15 minus 14 is 1. And so the mixed number answer, the whole number is 7. The remainder 1 goes on top of the fraction or above the fraction bar, and the 2 goes below the fraction bar. So it's 1/2. So the decimal answer will be negative 7.5, right? Because 1/2 is 0.5. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you did, thank you so much. And if you got the right answer, please hit that like button. and comment your answers in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.